In this video, you'll learn how to return items purchased on eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the return process and ensure that you receive your refund in a timely manner. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are logged in, locate the section labeled Purchase History. This area displays a list of all items you have recently bought. Find the specific order for the item you wish to return and click on it to open its details page. On this page, you will see the item information along with the return policy set by the seller. Reviewing this information is crucial as it confirms whether the item is eligible for return. Next, look for the option that allows you to request a return. This option is typically found on the order details page. When you select it, eBay will prompt you to choose a reason for the return. Common reasons include receiving a damaged item or an incorrect item. After selecting the reason, provide a detailed explanation of the issue you encountered. In some cases, you may be required to upload photos to support your claim. Completing this step sends a notification to the seller, effectively initiating the return process. After your return request is approved by the seller, you will receive instructions on how to send the item back. At this point, it is important to pack the item securely to prevent any damage during shipping. If the seller has provided a return label, be sure to attach it to your package. Follow the instructions carefully regarding which shipping service to use, as this may affect the return timeline. Once you have shipped the package, keep the tracking information for your records, as it will be useful for follow-up inquiries. After the seller receives the returned item, they will begin the refund process. This can take several days depending on the seller's processing time. It is advisable to regularly check your eBay account or your email for updates regarding your refund status. If you do not see any updates after a reasonable period, consider reaching out to the seller for clarification. That wraps up today's guide on how to return eBay items. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.